What's up, everyone? Today is the last day of our Balkan road trip. We're sad that we will have to fly home soon. However, before we go, we're gonna have two very nice stops. The first stop is gonna be Kotor on the Adriatic coastline of Montenegro, and the second one is gonna be Budva. It's also a coastal town next to Kotor. In Kotor, we met up with Leah, our friend from Skopje from episode 4. He was still traveling around Balkans and he showed us around the town as he was spending a few days here. In the town there is a lady that takes care of the cats. You can donate some small money and she will feed them and take care of them. Isn't that cute?
Kotor is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It's one of a few that we've visited so far on our trip. The old town itself feels like time has stood still here, where you can see buildings and everything from the 12th to the 14th century. You can also visit Priština, which is a very tiny village nested at the edge of the bay. It is renowned as one of the most beautiful places in Montenegro. You can take a trip to Our Lady of the Rocks, which is a Roman Catholic church built on a legendary position on the Bay of Kotor.
Hey boy, every time you look at me, I know you see my knees go weak, trying to keep it together. Hey boy, every time you say goodbye, every time you say goodnight, I wanna steal you away forever.
You can climb up this fortress of St. John. It is 280 meters above sea level and it will take you a while. You can also visit the Cat Museum. There's a museum dedicated for the cats in Kotor. You go in, have a look, you can buy postcards, you can buy medals and some live exhibits as well, roam around the museum.
Hey girl, I never ever thought we'd be, I never ever thought I'd see. Then I saw your smile. Hey girl, I never ever thought I'd show exactly what I'm feeling now, but it's impossible to hide. Oh, we can go across the oceans and see the world tonight. Oh, say hello.
Thank you very much for joining us on this trip. We really enjoyed it and hope you enjoyed it too. If you're planning to do this kind of trip, you can always drop us a message and check out our blog for more information. It's lavidajourney.com. Stay tuned for more episodes.
Together.